RSI 14 is 73, and the stock is currently not being overbought or oversold. Volatile ride for Ocugen Incorporated stock price on Thursday moving between $1.61 and $2.25, updated on December 24. 2020, by candidate since 2012 to 24 the Ocugen Incorporated stock price fell by -32.31% on the last day, Thursday, 24 December 2020, from $2.60 to $1.76. During the day the stock fluctuated 39.75% from a day low at $1.61 to a day high of $2.25. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 505.44% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by -750 million shares. And in total, 156 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $274.40 million. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and a further rise within the trend is signaled. Given the current short-term trend, the stock is expected to rise 15.72% during the next 3 months and, with a 90% probability hold a price between 36 cents and $3.02 at the end of this 3-month period. Signals and forecast. The Ocugen Incorporated stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at 91 cents and 42 cents. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3 months moving average convergence divergence (MACD). Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, December 23, 2020, and so far it has fallen -32.31%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume fell together with the price during the last trading. This reduces the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. Support, risk and stop loss. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and given the right condition the stock may perform very badly in the next couple of days. $1.76. This stock may move very much during a day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved 64 cents between high and low, or 39.75%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 43.41%. Our recommended stop loss: $1.66. -5.54%. This stock has very high daily movements, and this gives very high risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 1 day ago. Is Ocugen Incorporated stock a buy? Several short-term signals, along with a general good trend, are positive, and we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity as there is a fair chance for Ocugen Incorporated stock to perform well in the short term. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a hold accumulate to a buy candidate. Current score: 1.003. Predicted opening price for Ocugen